to the British Academy of Implant Restorative Dentistry. Today we're going to do live surgery implant placement for our implant course in the BAIRD Academy, and I hope you enjoy it. As Victoria shown you on the scan, we have considerable bone loss, but luckily we have 5mm apical bone to the socket. So, as you could see, hold my other hand to control my angle because it's so easy to get the wrong angle. And I'm going to go like that, up to 12mm, in and out.
For BAIRD, it is very rewarding to see our junior participants doing the best in implant dentistry under direct mentorship and watching them sail through the journey of implant dentistry in a fantastic way, taking them up to the highest standard ever.